You just got out of a 45-minute roadmap review. You have a messy transcript, 3 people think they own the same task, and no one's sure what actually got decided. Here's how to fix that in under 2 minutes with Gemini. I'm going to use a real example. This is a transcript from a Spotify PM sprint planning meeting, the kind where we're talking about the discovery feed, personalization experiments, and Q3 OKRs all at once. Here's the raw transcript we're working with. Okay, so Marcus is going to own the A/B test setup for the new discovery feed ranking algorithm. He said he can have it in staging by Thursday. Priya, you're taking the listener segmentation model handoff from data science. They'll send the spec by EOD Tuesday. We need the 30-day retention metric defined before we can finalize the OKR, and someone mentioned the API rate limit issue is still unresolved. That needs a ticket. Oh, and the exec review deck needs slides from everyone by Friday 5 p.m. Messy, right? Let's run it through Gemini. Open Gemini. I'm pasting the transcript directly in and using this prompt. You are a product manager. Extract all action items from this meeting transcript. For each item, identify the owner, the task, and the due date. Format it as a table. Flag anything with no clear owner as unassigned. Hit enter. In about 5 seconds, you get this. Clean, scannable, done. Now, here's the move that saves you another 10 minutes. Follow up with draft a follow-up Slack message summarizing these action items and tagging each owner. Gemini will write the message. You copy it, paste it into your hashtag discovery, --feed Slack channel, and you're done before the next meeting starts. A few things that make this work better. 1. Be specific in your prompt. Extract action items gets you a list. Extract action items with owners, deadlines, and flag unassigned items gets you something you can actually act on. 2. If your transcript is from Zoom or Google Meet, the auto-generated captions work fine. You don't need a perfect transcript. 3. You can ask Gemini to output this as a Jira-ready format or a Google Sheets table. Just say it in the prompt. That's it. Paste transcript, write a tight prompt, get a clean action item table in 30 seconds. No more, wait, who is supposed to do that in your team Slack? Try it after your next meeting and let me know how it goes in the comments. And if you want the exact prompt I used, it's pinned in the description.